How to swap the Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to swap or change the Ethereum to Solana using Phantom Wallet, you can use OKX exchange for help. So in order to do so, first of all, get started with opening or launching your Phantom Wallet. After that, log in into your account. Once that is done, first of all, confirm that you have enough Ethereum in your wallet. If you do not, purchase ETH directly within the wallet or transfer it with another source. Also, make sure to search for Ethereum to make it active. In order to switch to Ethereum network, you'll have to go to the settings, navigate to the active network and toggle the switch next to Ethereum to enable it. After that, you can tap on Ethereum and tap on Receive. And you can use the displayed address to transfer Ethereum from another exchange like Binance, KuCoin or OKX. Now let's move forward to step 2. For this, you have to launch your OKX exchange as a middleman. Launch your OKX exchange and create an account if you do not have, or you can log in if you already. Then tap on Assets section on the bottom right corner to tap on Deposit. After that, select Ethereum to view your deposit address and QR code. Copy the deposit address. Now from the Phantom wallet, you have to select Ethereum and send. Paste the OKX deposit address, specify the amount of ETH to transfer and confirm. So after this, you can check the Assets tab in OKX to confirm the receipt of ETH. Now for the final step, you will have to access the conversion feature of OKX. For this, launch it and tap on the square button, and from this page scroll down until you find the option of convert under the trade. Now in the from section, select Ethereum. In the to section, select Solana. Enter the amount of ETH to convert and you can view the conversion rate as well. Once everything is confirmed, you can tap on swapping and your SOL will be now on your OKX account. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.